Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with David. In today's video I will be making some garlic shrimps, hot spicy sausage, and some fried chickpeas or chana. On this board I have some bell pepper, red and white onions, scallion, and on this plate I have some complete seasoning, sage, garlic powder. I have some onion powder, some ají. Okay, also will be using some, this is the garlic paste, and some lemon pepper I will be using. Right, on that plate I have some all-purpose flour, I have some cornstarch and some baking powder with some spices. This is the chana that I already boiled, set aside. This is some cumin. I have one whole head of garlic that I'm going to be frying up, along with some mixed masala. Okay, sorry I didn't show it to you, but that's what I'm going to be using, along with this, we call it bird pepper. Okay, yeah, this is a complete seasoning powder that I have here to fry the shrimp. I will be listing everything that I use in the description bar down below. So start frying up the garlic first. This is the mixed masala, 1 tablespoon, and the cumin or jeera. After finish frying it up well, I'm going to add it to the chickpeas. I already have salt. I boiled the chickpeas with salt and a pinch of sugar. That is optional. Stir it well and let it continue frying. In the meanwhile, I'm going to season up. The shrimps are already pre-seasoned up, so I'm going to continue season it up with the garlic paste and all the spices that I mentioned before. Okay, so I'm going to just season that up and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. I didn't show you guys the pepper sauce that I add in order to get the spiciness. So it's the spicy garlic shrimps that I'm making. So after finish, set it aside. This is what it look like. So I'm going to start by frying it in the seasoning powder flour, I'm sorry, that I mentioned before. Coat it well, and when the oil hot enough, place them one by one in there, and then turn it as it get to the color of your desire. When finished frying all, I show it to you. This is just the first batch. This is the second batch. So this is it when it finished frying, what it look like. And this is the chickpeas that I already fry up. And this is all. This is some garlic spicy shrimps, spicy sausage, and some fried chickpeas. And we're gonna use a little bit of the seasoning that I just mentioned. I'm gonna list everything that I use in the description bar down below. Okay, this already